If you're going on a cruise or if you're going on vacation, you might know that your skin changes. So today, let's talk about two products. I actually have some more products that I'm going to be sharing, but the first two is this Hyper Real Fresh Canvas from MAC. So when you are on a cruise, the water of the cruise is going to make your skin either dry or it's going to make it oily. If you have dry skin, it's going to get even drier, and then if you have oily skin, most likely it's going to become more oily and you might get breakouts. Basically, based on the research that I've done, the water on the cruise is either salt water that they take and then they convert it into fresh water, or it's water that is recycled, clean, and made to be used by everyone on the cruise. So when that happens, my friends, you use the Fresh Canvas. This is a cream to foam cleanser. This is the best cleanser I have ever used. I have dry skin. The best way that I can describe this is, for example, when you wash your face and you have like a ton of makeup, this will really get into the pores and clean your skin. So if you have a lot of makeup on the cruise and then the water's not helping and you have clogged pores, you tend to get acne. This will help you significantly, at least it has for me. And then when I notice that this is not working very good because my skin got used to it, I go in with the Aveeno Positively Radiant. This is a scrub. It's very gentle on the skin. The only thing is, like on this area right here, I tend to get oily, so I do have to go back in with this one. But you're gonna get really good results with this one. It's very gentle, and Aveeno is an amazing brand. So that's gonna be the cleanser. Now I'm gonna take you to skincare, and then towards the end, we're gonna be talking about masks that you can use at the end of the day to really like help your skin. And then if your skin is dehydrated because you were out in the sun or you got sunburn, I'm also going to be sharing products for that. When it comes to SPF, you do have to take SPF on the cruise. This is the one that I use on my face. I repurchase it every single time that it runs out. It's very hydrating. It'll make your skin radiant, brighter. It's really, really good, and it's not gonna break you out. And trust me, don't forget this. As soon as you wash your face in the morning, apply this, because I was on vacation last year and I got really sunburned. I didn't put sunscreen on my body and my face was very protected with this. I didn't get sunburn on my face. There's one that I had to purchase in Greece, and that one I had to put all throughout, like my entire body. So for sure, SPF on your body, that's going to make a huge difference. Now, for example, for me, I have dry skin, so I need something that'll hydrate my skin. You can go in with a rich moisturizer, or you can go in with a serum. This one is by Clinique, and let me show you the actual product. Is very hydrating. It's like this milky consistency, and then you put it onto your skin. This is what it looks like, and it's going to give you a lot of hydration. I use this during the day underneath makeup. I have very, very dry skin. So now I want to talk about foundations. I always take two foundations because my skin, when it changes, the foundations, like my skin gets used to them, so then it cracks and it doesn't look polished. Like, it's one of those things where you're like, oh my God, people are staring at me. I think I look good, but then you look in the mirror and you're like, oh my God, what happened? So a lot of that has to do with the foundation and the skincare that you're using. And it could happen, but I'm gonna teach you what I use. So this is drugstore, and then this is not. This I purchased myself. This is my favorite foundation. I'm in the shade 3. This is the Luminous Silk by Giorgio Armani. They use this on weddings. This is lightweight, and this foundation taught me a lesson, which I'm going to teach you right now. So you always want to focus on skincare and on less foundation on your face. So what do I mean by that? You know, as much concealer and as many things that you put on your face, if your skin is not smooth and it's not hydrated, and you know, no one has perfect skin. I don't have perfect skin, but if you really focus on skincare, the foundation, for sure it's going to look nicer. What I do recommend, because I had really, really bad skin in the past, is that you go to a dermatologist, you do research online, and a lot of it is trial and error. but this for sure worked for me. And then I'm wearing this right now, but it's a really good foundation. It's medium coverage, I would say, and then you can build up on it. But I use my beauty sponge with it, and this has taken me a really, really long way. Now it's the end of the day and you're gonna take off your makeup. Nighttime skincare is the most important skincare. And I want for you to always remember this, like no one has perfect skin because they use the best products. Everyone has something on their skin, large pores, acne scars, dark spots, like it's something very common. And I know nowadays with social media, like we're used to seeing these images of, perfect skin. Well, I've never met anyone with perfect skin. I've met people who have like really, really nice skin, but don't feel bad if you don't have like perfect skin, because no one does. But what you can do is that you can improve your skin. And something that I love is to use masks at night. This is my favorite mask in the entire world. I have to repurchase it. It's expensive, but I want to show you. I take this on my trips. This is a mask by SkinCeuticals. I love SkinCeuticals. They are, I think, an amazing, amazing brand. And this product, I apply it at night. I have dry skin, so keep that in mind. And then when I remove it, like everything is gone, and my skin just feels good. And it's definitely a product that's going to be incredible if you're on a cruise and your skin is acting up, or you feel you're gonna get breakouts. This is something that's going to help you tremendously. It's not gonna make your skin like super, super dry. So I think if you have oily skin, you could also get away with it. This is the Deep Pore Cleansing Skin Refining Mask. So this is one of those products that once you buy it, you know that if you have an issue, you go back to it. So love you, SkinCeuticals. Now I want to talk about another one. This is by Kiehl's. This is the Ultra Facial Overnight Rehydrating Mask. So I did take this on the cruise last time that I went. And as you guys know, your girl got a really, really, really bad sunburn. And this product came through. This transformed my skin. I applied it on the areas where I had the sunburn, and it's incredible. This is like a really, really, really thick mask, and it's very hydrating. You can apply on your face or on your body if you're going on a trip and you're going to be out in the sun. This is going to rehydrate your skin. It's a very, very nice product. I want to show you two other products. So at night, the skincare at night is the most important skincare. So when you use your prescribed products, put everything that's, prescribed, like I just said, you want to go in and you want to hydrate your skin. So you take two of these and another one that I'll show you, which is the one that I love, because your skin gets used to it. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. This is expensive, but this is really good. I also apply it on my neck. And then this is from Shiseido. This is another really nice product. This is the Power Infusing Concentrate. This is a serum. So the way that you would apply serums is you go from lightest to thickest. So I would apply this one first, wait like a minute or two, and then I would go in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Repair, just this one. So I know that there are a ton of really expensive eye creams and all that jazz out there, but I use this underneath my eyes, on the side of my eyes, and right here and right here, because I tend to get very, very dry on those areas. And this is petroleum-free Vaseline, basically. So it's good on your skin. I got it at Whole Foods and I use it every night. I keep my skincare in the refrigerator, and I think that you should do the same. It's going to be life-changing. So now I want to show you my favorite product at night, which has really transformed my skin, my friends. And here it is. This is the CeraVe Night Cream. This is so underrated, but it's going to transform your skin. It's a very, very thick cream. One for you guys to see. but this is hydrating. And then I'm someone who I'm very fair, so if I get a spot on my face or a pimple or something red, it shows right away. And then like sometimes my skin gets red. I don't really have rosacea per se, but if I have like something on my face, like it will show more than normal. So this product, what it does is that I apply it at night. It's the last product that I use. Sometimes I would use it on its own. And what it does is that it'll hydrate my skin, and then the next day when I look in the mirror and I wash my face, my skin is brighter, the redness has been reduced significantly, and it's very inexpensive. I get it on Amazon. You guys are going to absolutely love it. So I've been wanting to do this video for a minute just because skincare is so underrated and I think it's so important. And yeah, like I told you guys, like no one has flawless skin. Like I have pores, I have spots, I have done beauty treatments in the past to help my skin improve because I did have really bad acne, hormonal acne to be exact. And yeah, it was a mission to get out of that, and it left marks. So I've had to get like procedures done. So along the way, I've learned to take care of my skin, and it's something that you have to do on a daily basis. You cannot skip skincare just because you're tired. It doesn't matter at what time you get home. You have to do your skincare because like everything in life, consistency is the game changer. You either want to see results or you want to go to bed with your makeup on. You know that if you go to bed with your makeup on, your skin is not going to improve and the results are going to take longer. Even if you're using prescribed products, you have to be consistent based on what the doctor tells you, but it's that consistency that's going to show the results. If you're going on a cruise, I think you're going to absolutely love it. I have cruise videos that I'm going to be linking down in the info box. Let me know if you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment with what you think. And if you've tried any of these products, I would be happy to learn about it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.